squeaking a little bit, but you know, can be perfect. I bought some conditioner for the pulley. I don't know actually what the hell that is, but you know, let's use it and see if it works. And that thing did not work. It is sort of a glue. I feel like I waste $5 buying that thing and just spray from certain distance and put that sort of a glue on my engine bay. I just did a little bit, didn't like it, and the squeak didn't go away, so not doing it. Alright, so I removed that part from the back of the car. It was white, ugly. Yeah, took out of here, and I'm about to do a clear coat. I sand it with 220 grit, so you can see it's very scratched, and then I went over with a let me just open this can here. Dang, it's child proof. So what I'll do is I'll try to get as much as I can on here and here, mostly this part. So I'm gonna alright, and you don't want a very thick coat, but it is looking great already. So now I'm gonna wait for a while. Here it says I don't know, it says a lot of stuff, so it doesn't matter. Just wait 15 minutes. I was just trying to find the temperature. So let's wait for 15 minutes. 15 minutes passed, and let's go to the second coat. Let's put it this way because I can see better. Let me see, did I miss anywhere? It looks awesome. Wow, look. It's very good. And I think I need to sand that down and once more. So the other one said don't paint if it's under certain degrees, and it was like 40 some, so oh, it's dripping already, so I'll need to sand anyway. Alright, let it dry. And this is how it looks like. Much better than the white crap, huh? I didn't tie it all the way, but yeah, it looks good. Alright, let's go for a little ride. The serpentine was a little loose. I think still a little loose. I'm gonna tie it a little more. I watched this video. This guy was saying try to twist it on the longer side, and it shouldn't twist more than like 90 degrees. And so it was twisting a little more, little over 90, and fixed it and stopped making the noise. So I lost my tripod. Oh, I have this here. I forgot I got this from the other car. Otherwise I'm making my car dirty already. So let's just go for a short ride. Very cold. I don't want to expect too much. I need to check the oil from the transmission. Oh, it drives well. Put on the heat. it's going straight. So it's like a notch wrong. I'm going to fix that probably tonight. Alignment looks great because it's going straight. It's more about the steering wheel in the wrong spot. And that's pretty much it.
You can do it, and you will get there. You can do it.